From Fantastic here, and in this video we're going to be exploring Newton's 3 laws of motion. Let's get to it.
Name test.
First, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Isaac Newton. I'm just going on to the Natastic Wikipedia here, and it says Isaac Newton was a philosopher, mathematician, and physicist. He was born in England in 1643. Now my friend Noah will explain the first law of motion.
Okay guys, we're going to learn about the first law of motion, inertia. I'm just going to check the Natastic Wikipedia. So, an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues that motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted by an unbalanced force. Let me demonstrate. See this ball here? It is not in motion. I hit it. It's in motion. Hit it again. It's in rest.
Now on to the second law. So you see this chair here? It's easy to lift and move. But if I add these two chairs over here onto it, not easy to lift. Man down! Man down! On to the third law. For this law, I'm going to have my friend Skylar explain it. Oh, here. Oh, hey. Today I'm going to be explaining the third law of motion. The third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. I'm going to demonstrate. This is a balloon. Epic. Now, first of all, this balloon, when I let go of it, it blows away. So, when that balloon went up in the air, there was a force making it go up in the air, which was the air that I blew in, going down from it, propelling it up. And that's basically the third law of motion. Don't forget the fourth law. Subscribe to Nate. No, wait. Cut, get this out of here. Get and then you zoom in. It's a plane. It's another airplane. Another plane. Closer. I am going to. There's been 3 planes. I'm going to fire. And it's a 4th one coming from the sky. Oh, and it's close to the moon again.